How to change Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. I'm going to tell you how to fix your Roblox location if you changed it by mistake. First, log into your Roblox account and go to settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, under the account info tab, find location section. Click the drop down menu and select your correct country. After that, scroll down and hit save to apply the changes. If you're unable to change it, it might be due to account restrictions or a region lock. In that case, try using a VPN to temporarily access Roblox from your desired location. However, keep in mind that VPN can sometimes lead to security verification. Once updated, refresh the page and make sure that changes are saved.